sunshine. Ingredients: sun. Use with caution. Here's another one.
Hello again, sir.
Hey, this works pretty well. That's a lot of... Another one! It's a vacuum cleaner. Another one! That looks like something on the list of weather machine pieces I'm supposed to find. I think it's part of the velocimometer. Hello?
Hello?
Velocimometer? Is that you?
Yes, I'm scared.
It's okay. Pajama Sam is here to help you. Phew. Do you think you can get down from there?
No, I don't think so.
Well, never fear. I'll think of something.
Thank you.
Hey, look at those boxes. I bet I could climb those. Eek! Don't worry, it's me, Sam. I'll help you down.
Really?
Sure, come on. You'll be safe with me.
Thank you. Will you take me back to the wind machine?
Sure thing, velocimometer.
You can call me Velo if you want.
Okay, Velo it is. Earthquake in a can. Please recycle after use.
Welcome to Worldwide Weather, sir.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do. I'm Pajama Sam. I'm helping.
Ah, yes, here it is. Go right on in, Mr. Sam. Mr. Someone is ready for you.
Thanks. Say, aren't you the Y pipe?
Yes, why do you ask?
I thought so. I've been looking for you.
You have? Why?
I'm looking for all the important pieces to the weather machines,
Really? Why?
so I can put you all back and fix the machines.
Why would you want to do that?
Because all the weather everywhere is going crazy, and thunder and lightning are in trouble, and it's sort of my fault.
What did you do to cause all of that?
Never mind that now. It's not important. You've got to come with me.
I'd love to, but I can't get out of this vending machine by myself. Think you could help me out?
Pajama Sam never abandons someone who needs help.
Thanks, that's good to know. Ow!
That doesn't look very comfortable.
It isn't. Please insert more coins.
I haven't got any more coins.
Oh, great. Ouch! Free at last! What a relief. You ever been stuck in a vending machine, Sam?
I think I'm a little too big to fit in there.
Yeah, I suppose you are. Say, where did you get that great outfit?
This? It's my pajamas. I sleep in them.
You have special clothes just for sleeping in.
Of course.
Why?
Because, oh, well, that's not important right now. We have to get you back to the rain machine.
Yeah, I'll bet they miss me. Can you give me a lift?
Sure.